Unlocking Drug Discovery, Knowledge Graphs and Large Language Models Explained. In the exciting world of drug discovery, a fascinating intersection is taking shape between knowledge graphs and large language models, LLMs. In this first part of our two-part series, we dive into how these innovative technologies are transforming life sciences workflows, guided by insights from Andreas Kolleger, the head of GenAI innovation at Neo4j. With a wealth of experience across various industries, Andreas sheds light on the remarkable potential of these tools. Knowledge graphs have been around for quite some time, primarily used in data management and symbolic reasoning. However, they are now experiencing a resurgence, especially in the realm of generative AI and drug discovery. Originally designed for data interchange, these structured representations have evolved into powerful platforms for knowledge management and discovery. So, what exactly are knowledge graphs? At their essence, knowledge graphs are intricate networks of information where the relationships between different entities are clearly defined and meaningful. In the context of drug discovery, these entities can include compounds, proteins, genes, diseases, and clinical outcomes, all interconnected through scientifically validated relationships. This structured approach to organizing data offers two significant advantages. 1. Systematic reasoning. It allows for a deeper understanding of the complex relationships between various data points. 2. Standardized framework. It facilitates seamless data interchange across different systems and organizations. The true power of knowledge graphs lies in their ability to represent relationships in a way that closely resembles natural language. As Andreas Kolleger puts it, you can read the graph, almost read a sentence along it. This natural alignment between graph structures and language has become increasingly valuable with the rise of large language models, creating what Kolleger describes as a very nice property that maps nicely to natural language. Moving beyond traditional natural language processing, NLP, the integration of knowledge graphs with LLMs marks a significant evolution. In the past, knowledge graphs primarily served as structured repositories for NLP tools to query and update. Now, with LLMs, we have sophisticated processors that can understand context, identify connections between complex data points, and generate insights that mimic human cognitive processes. This evolution allows for a more nuanced approach to handling unstructured data, ranging from research papers and documents to images and other scientific content. When faced with unstructured data, LLMs can perform what Kolleger refers to as distilling the essential facts. For instance, when analyzing scientific literature, the system can pinpoint key entities and their relationships, effectively transforming unstructured text into a structured knowledge representation. When a question is posed, an LLM can dissect complex queries into manageable parts, determining what information it needs to uncover. One of the most exciting innovations in this field is how LLMs interact with knowledge graphs. When confronted with a question, an LLM can break it down, identify necessary information, and utilize the knowledge graph to find relevant data points and their interconnections. This process creates a specialized mini-knowledge graph tailored to the specific query, enabling the system to answer questions that may require insights from multiple sources or intricate chains of reasoning. Why does this matter for drug discovery? The combination of knowledge graphs and LLMs is proving to be invaluable in this field, where the relationships between compounds, proteins, pathways, and clinical outcomes are often complex and multifaceted. The knowledge graph provides a curated, validated foundation of scientific relationships, while the LLM offers the flexibility to explore and reason about these relationships in innovative ways. This hybrid approach tackles one of the core challenges in drug discovery, balancing scientific rigor with the creative exploration of new possibilities. Moreover, this integration addresses a critical concern in scientific research: the verification and validation of results. While LLMs can generate insights at lightning speed, the knowledge graph acts as a source of validated, structured information that researchers can audit and verify. As Kolleger highlights, this creates a form of pre-computed knowledge, where the hard work of validating scientific relationships has already been accomplished through rigorous research and academic studies. Stay tuned for the second part of this series, where we will delve deeper into the practical applications and future implications of this powerful combination in the world of drug discovery.